Good morning. Let's start. We are making butter chicken. Any objections? No, ma'am. We have cumin powder, red chili powder, salt, and coriander powder, all home roasted and home ground. And we're going to marinate this for a while and we will start the gravy. Starting the gravy, we have ginger, garlic, and onions in here, and we added cumin seeds just when the oil was hot. Once the onion is nicely roasted, then we add our tomatoes, handful of cashews. Let's add spices. Salt comes first. Red chili powder. Turmeric. Cumin powder. Coriander powder. Simmer and cook the spices really well. Ready to grind. Gravy complete. Now we're going to prep our chicken. 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are putting it in the oven for say 20 minutes. Our chicken. Marinated chicken. It's time to open the oven. Yes, please. Amazing. Beautiful. Chicken is beautifully cooked. Now it's time to put the gravy and the chicken together. Garam masala. Add cream to finish it off. Chicken. Add kasuri methi and dab of butter, and butter chicken is ready. This is a perfect combination of tomato rice with butter chicken. North India with Southern India.